we reached almost near Kanakapura road. This one, I don't know what it is. People here, you can see even it in the shed also. The consume is very bad. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel Wonder Roads. I hope you all are doing fit and fine. Good morning doggy. Doggy too. Black doggy. So another Sunday after a long time going for a ride. So I'm going to pick up my friend in BTM. So today I'm going to Shivanasamudra, Gaganachukki and Bharachukki, 3 waterfalls. All are located very nearby. So I'll share more details as we proceed. Now since I already got late, I got to go. VAC, vehicle actuated control. It's an interesting technology, but I don't know how it works. So we reached almost near Kanakapura road. So meeting point is MTR. Unfortunately, Dr. Vinayak won't be joining us due to some last minute emergency he had, because he's a doctor, right? So he had some last minute emergency case which he had to attend. So currently only 2 bikes are going, my bike and then Ravi Anna. Yeah. Right now I am being a passenger. So the all new rider is riding, doctor. Yeah, very good rider she is. How is the riding experience? No, I mean to say riding experience means you should tell, not like that. That's nice, no? Nice caves. Why I am telling caves? Look at that. Should go on top, no? On top of that trekking Manpodo. So many electrical lines. I don't know where it is going, no? All power supply comes from there, I think. It's so windy, no? So that is Ravi Anna going in front. 9 minutes. 5 kilometers are there. Shivanasamudra. What is that? Gaganachukki and okay, this is Gaganachukki, same route I think. Hydro project, no, maybe because of that. This is pretty, no? Look at that. Nice. Oh, that's so pretty. Can click photo also, no there? Where is? It's there in one go only. I think we can see everything. But last time I don't remember coming here. When I came with one more friend, no, Dishant. I don't remember coming to this route. That was different route though. ATM is also there. We might need cash or what? Do we need cash? No, right? Okay. Because for that sugar cane juice we spent now. Yeah, I had 120 or something. 120. This house? That's what he took more. No. One more glass extra he gave ending. 4 glass he gave. See this? It's so nice. This is like complete, like Pakka village, no? These houses and all, they should, I don't know, maybe it's a school probably. Architecture, old it is. This one? I don't know what do you call in English for that. What do you call for that?
No, I want to take pictures from here.
Say hi, Bosa came here. Yeah, we'll come back. So before visiting this waterfall, no, I had a bit of a confusion, thinking that Shivanasamudra is separate waterfalls itself. But when I did little bit of search, right, on internet, I got an information that the Shivanasamudra is the island which consists of 2 waterfalls, Bharachukki and Gaganachukki, and both, place the Kaveri river is flowing. You can see. So yeah, been to both the places. First I went to Gaganachukki and then Bharachukki Waterfalls. They are like 15-kilometer distance between the both, and both the places there is a watch station. Earlier they used to allow to go till the river flow, but due to some incidents they have restricted, and you can only watch from certain distance, which I'll show you in the video. And also we have been to this ancient Sri Prasanna Meenakshi temple also. So yeah, I'll show you the detail. The Male vlog madu. Male vlog. Jor bartada.
Someone's prediction went wrong, not yours.
What day?
Seriously, don't go, but it's moving. When the clouds are moving, it won't rain.
When the clouds are moving?
It won't rain.
It won't rain.
Yeah,
No, it is. Your phone is vibrating, I think. Yes.
Where waste time is happening. Select protection.
ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಹೀಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ತರದ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆಕತ್ಲಾನ್
ಮನೇಲಿ
ಇದೆಯಾ
ನನ್ನ ತರದ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ
ಅಯ್ಯೋ look like Jadu. I'll post this, sir. I swear. Jadu.
Say hi.
Hi. The prediction became right.
Of course, it should be.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಬಟ್ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಪೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ. ಗೂಗಲ್ ಪೇನೂ ಇದೆ ಬ್ರೋ, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಪೇನೂ ಇದೆ.
ನಾನು ನೀರು ನೋಡು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರೋವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಟ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಸಿನ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.
ನೈಸ್. ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ. There is accommodation, but it's Gaganachukki. So one thing is Shivanasamudra only I put.
Shivanasamudra falls, it falls like that side. I don't know, there's no.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಮೊದಲಿತ್ತು, ಇವಾಗ ನಾ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋದಾಗನೂ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಊರಂತಾರೆ ಯಾರು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗೋರು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅವರು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್.
ಹಾಂ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ.
ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ನೋ. But this also, yeah, it's pretty and Niagara. What is that? I'm thinking, what is that? There is one. What is that? Like pole kind of. Pratistapna something. Hello, it's the stamba. ಕೂದಲೆಲ್ಲ ಚಟ್ಟ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ. Yeah, this one. I don't know what it is. What is written?
Bharachukki Falls, Shivanasamudra, Chamarajanagar district. Oh, so Biligiri granites.
Biligiri granites. I think they, what to say? What is that? They are standing in attention. Bro, I think they donated some granite or something.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Biligiri, yeah, maybe. Like 12th August 2007, sorry.
Yeah, they were only written in Kannada. Hello? ಆಚೆ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಗಟ್ಟಿಬೇಡಿ ಬ್ರೋ. ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಾರಿ ಫೋಕ್ಸ್.
ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋ.
It's only, yeah, it's only in Kannada. Hello in Kannada. Where is she? It's beautiful, no? Actually.
And here you go.
Yes. This is Ravina. Bro, watch out. Go. Bro, but we should include this thing. Should include that we are missing Dr. Vinayak.
Yeah, doctor missing. We are missing so much. Dr. Vinayak is supposed to come.
Yeah, he was supposed to come.
He got something urgent.
Last minute
urgent work. Yeah.
ಆಡಿಯೋ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. Maybe
ಮೈಕ್ ಇದೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ.
Doctor responsibility he got.
So he got doctor responsibility. ಹತ್ರದಿಂದ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಹೊಡೆದಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲೋದ್ರು ಬ್ರೋ.
ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ರು?
So pretty, no? I think this force is there now. It's only during this monsoon.
Monsoon, I guess. Yeah.
Because obviously the flow will.
Other time I don't think so. You see this kind of water not more.
That's what. It's peaceful, no, bro?
Yeah, really. This is compared to Shivanasamudra. This is like
This
white.
flow. You see there? It's coming from there also.
Kaveri.
Yeah. What flow, no? Yeah, no? We'll take it in, no? Next we are going to Bharachukki. Here. Yes. Okay. We got some scenic spot where we could click the photos. So we stopped by to click some pictures. It's worth a visit. While coming to Bharachukki only, you'll see this banyan trees. Oh. Look at that. Chota baby is there, hanging. So nice, no? See one temple also.
That's it.
ನೋಡಿ ಬ್ರೋ,
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್
ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರ ಅಂದರೆ
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ.
ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಇರೋದಾ?
This is the crowd if you come on weekends.
So plan
accordingly.
Yeah.
If you come on weekend, this is what you can expect. You can hardly see the view from the point, but from the top. Actually, there is a change of plan. We were about to go to Bangalore, but last minute some change, so we are going to a place called Talakadu. I heard even there also nice scenic place like rivers flow and all is there, so we are going there. So yeah, let's see what is there in Talakadu. So right now we are going to Kaveri river side. We reached Talakadu. Kaveri river side we are going. So there is one Somanatha temple, it seems, where sand used to come, it seems, whenever monsoon season, no, the sand used to come, even though there are no, what to say, beach or some link to the sea. Sand used to be there inside the temple, it seems, completely. So yeah, I don't know how it will be right now. That's what we are going and checking there. Let's see how it is. Kaveri Nadi ke Dhari, Devalaya ke Dhari. Okay, there is direction everywhere though, but it's in local language, Kannada. If you know Kannada, you can understand, or else if you carry Google Translate, if you scan that, even that should work, not an issue. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮರಳು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಕ್ರೇಜಿ, that is crazy. Even though there is no beach, there is sand all over.
There was a curse for a Mysore king.
Okay.
That you will not get any sun.
You will not get any?
That sun anta idu ninge
Okay, okay.
If you see ಇವ್ರದಲ್ಲ ರಾಜರಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಹುಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ದತ್ತು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದವ್ರು.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಇವನ್ ಒನ್ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದತ್ತು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು.
Oh. So that is still there.
ತಲಕಾಡು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ?
I don't know. Just check ಮಾಡಿ, ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಕುವರಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಇವಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗಿತೇನೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್.
ಹೋಗ ಒಂದು ಲಂಚ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ. ಅಗೇನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್.
Then little bit walk. You want to play in water? At least you can just go play with. You could have got a cloth. Sand dunes, state forest.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ಆಟೋ 10. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಅಲ್ಲೋ.
ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಒಳಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಗಾಡಿಗಳು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ
ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ
because of the monsoon and water flow is more, so they are not allowing inside, so we have to park outside of the gate only. It's free, but we have to walk more. illa
but one thing, okay, then recording with the rear camera, no, this front cam is convenient, even the clarity is not that great, but this is convenient. You can see like this.
Yeah, when you're talking you can use this, and something like you want to say without anything munde ಏನು ತೋರಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that time.
But Samsung one advantage is there.
Yeah, no, okay, but
still
yeah, but still
I know you
But
iPhone
still-
users don't want to agree that.
but you only tell which camera is good.
S24.
Changing plate.
Currently S24 is good. Yeah, camera wise I like iPhone ka camera, but as I'm using now S24, I like S24 ka
even
camera.
people who's using phone, they have Samsung telling that iPhone camera is good. Show them. So guys, see, water is filled.
This used to be parking, no bro?
Yeah, water.
I didn't know this. But from where it is coming?
See, it's
Something mysterious, no? Yeah.
Oh, it's full. Actually, it's full.
It's actually. That's
Yeah,
what.
I can go play in this.
Where? In this water? No worries.
See, they're putting the plastic and all.
Water is coming like this only. See,
This used to be parking, no?
this is a parking place basically.
See there how they did it. So bad, no? Plastic, I think, no? It's stinking though. Yeah, it's so bad actually. People are littering.
Kaveri is considered as God. You're not supposed to litter.
What they're doing?
Actually.
All now. It was not good.
First time I'm seeing actually. There's so many boats.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕು ಮುಗಿತು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡೋದು.
ಆಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಬಂದೆ. I'm just recording this.
It's beautiful. My phone.
Yours? No, it's with me. I'll give you. It's here, this side.
Go this way. So we come to Talakadu.
Till previously, till where it used to go?
Generally, the trees and all, we used to go there. See? No. See, trees and all.
Bro, point it, no?
Yeah, can you see that trees there?
Yeah.
It's not, just almost
there.
like summer, you know? We used to go till there, we used to go like walk. Then from there, it used to go like water used to start. Now see, water is like almost, if it is continuous like this, and I don't know, they might need to locate the shops here.
So many shops are there though. Hello?
Huh?
Tumba shops ಇದೆ.
Before now, like we never used to have a shop here. ಅವ್ರು ಕುಡ್ತಾರೆ
ನಮ್ಮ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್.
ನೀವು ತಗೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Photographer. Nice click. Tag me.
I'm not good actually.
So water is coming till here. You can see even the gate and the shed also. The iPhone zoom is very bad. So you can see this gate now. This used to be a parking spot. Vaidyanatha temple. Okay, so finally we have completed all our location. What was the location now, just now? Vaidyanateshwara temple. So now we are heading back to Bangalore, then maybe one small pit stop at some restaurant, then we'll be back to the base. I think it's gonna rain, no? No? Okay, weather prediction told it won't be raining, then it won't be raining. So clouds are forming. Then then yes, we will not be getting any rain. And yeah, until next time, stay tuned. Wonder Roads signing off. Tata. Bye. Yeah, bye.